In this video, I'm gonna share with you guys something that really changed my life as an artist, and it's something specific about color. Once you learn this, you can't go back, and when I learned this, it's something that really blew my mind, and I just love it, and it's something that I really like about color. And if you're an artist, you're gonna really love this video. So without further ado, I first briefly need to explain something that's very quick and easy to learn, and that is values. So let's go. So what is value? Value is basically the brightness of a color. If you're looking at a color and then put it in black and white, what you get is the value. So why is this important? It's because the correct combination of values is what creates the forms that you want for your painting. So you need to be aware of the value your color has. Alright, now that you know about values, I'm going to show you these 5 colors over here. So you got this purple/violet here, and it's the most saturated it can be. And these 5 colors over here, they create a sort of a curve. It's not a perfect curve, but you understand what I mean. So with that said, I have a question for you. Out of all these 5 colors, which one you think has the brightest value? So I'm gonna go on a limb and guess that you probably picked this one on top. And it's a good guess, but you are wrong. So let me show you what happens if I put this image on black and white. Look at this, they're all the same value, which is really awesome to see, right? So basically what that means, you can literally play with all of these 5 colors on the same spot on your painting, and they have the same value, so it's gonna work. So with this, you can add variety to your paintings. Instead of just using one color, you can use 2 or 3 on the same value and just create some variety and excitement on your paintings. But that's still not what I wanted to show you on this video. Now, I want to show you the other colors. And notice that they are all on their highest saturation level that's possible too. I thought that all the colors on their highest saturation all had the same value. But guess what? That isn't true. All of the colors have their own unique value, and this is a discovery that really made me see color from a different way. You can notice that the blue has the darkest value and the yellow has the brightest value. This means that if you wanted to, you could literally use this bright looking blue on a shadow, if the shadow had the same value. And you could also use this exact cyan or yellow or green on the highlight of a painting instead of a bright white. I'm gonna tell you one last thing, then show you some examples of this being used on paintings and the cool effects it can bring. Have you wondered why, when you write with a yellow pen on top of a white paper, it's hard to read? It's because of this reason. Because the yellow is so bright in value. So that's why it's hard to read in comparison to other colors, such as black, which has the highest contrast. So now onto the examples of the paintings I wanted to show you. This is an artist that I'm really a fan of, and look at what the artist does with this knowledge. In color, this looks really amazing. I love this painting. You can see here, you have this purple here, this saturated purple, and this blue over here, but if you look at it in black and white, it makes sense because they're basically the same value. But it looks so good in the eye, and it's an effect that you can create with this knowledge, and it's really cool. Now, this is one of my oil paintings, and here it is in color. Notice my use of the saturated yellow. I use it as a bright value in zones of the face, such as the lips and these cheeks here. And here, instead of using a dark orange for the shadows, I use a dark saturated red for some variety. Remember that if it's the same value, it can work. So yeah. So I generally hope you guys Wait, what? What did you say? Who let you do your intro? Who let you do your... Okay, I'm sorry about that. I generally hope you learned something from this video, and if you liked it, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.